Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Smart, your go-to channel for making those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions easier and way more fun. Today, we've got a battle of the bots that'll sweep you off your feet, literally. On my left, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, the vacuum that's smarter than your average teenager. And on my right, we have the XIEBro robot vacuum, which promises to be the Swiss Army knife of floor cleaning. Let's dive into this robo-rumble. First up, we have the price. Both these cleaning wizards are priced at $269. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, at least you won't have to worry about price being the deciding factor. It's a tie. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff where these two start to show their true colors. The Roomba 692 has a 3-stage cleaning system that loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, like it's auditioning for a vacuuming Olympics. Meanwhile, the XIEBro is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. Yep, it vacuums and mops. It's like the Roomba brought a knife to a gunfight. XIEBro, you win this round. Just don't get too cocky. Both vacuums can be controlled via apps and voice assistants. The Roomba 692 lets you boss it around with Google Assistant and Alexa. But the XIEBro takes it a step further with the Tuya Smart app, offering more control than a helicopter parent. You can adjust the water output, suction levels, and even set cleaning schedules. XIEBro is like the overachiever in the classroom who won't stop raising its hand. Another point for XIEBro. Roomba 692 boasts adaptive navigation and a suite of sensors that make it the Indiana Jones of robot vacuums. It can dodge furniture and avoid cliffs like a pro. But XIEBro comes in hot with advanced 3D obstacle avoidance and can climb up to 15 degrees. It's like Spider-Man but without the spandex. Gotta give this one to XIEBro, sorry Roomba. Roomba 692 gives you a solid 90 minutes of cleaning before it needs a nap. XIEBro, on the other hand, can last up to 100 minutes in quiet mode. And when the battery runs low, both of these bad boys automatically return to their charging docks. It's like they know when they've had enough. XIEBro barely nudges ahead here. Roomba 692 keeps it simple with its automatic recharging and dirt detect sensors. But XIEBro comes with a treasure trove of goodies: remote control, water tank, side brushes, and even AAA batteries. It's like Christmas came early. XIEBro, you're spoiling us. Reviewers generally find the Roomba 692 to be a reliable and effective cleaning solution, especially for hardwood floors and pet hair. However, it can struggle with thicker rugs and is noisy, making it better suited for use when no one is home. On the other hand, the XIEBro robot vacuum is praised for its strong suction, slim design, and versatility in vacuuming and mopping. Yet, it has mixed reviews regarding its durability and occasional issues with getting stuck. So there you have it, folks. While the Roomba 692 is a solid, reliable choice for those who want to keep things simple, the XIEBro robot vacuum is the overachieving, multitasking wonderkind that takes home the trophy today. If you're looking for a vacuum that can do it all, vacuum, mop, and even make you a sandwich. Okay, maybe not the sandwich part. XIEBro is your guy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, remember to buy smart.